Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Aparna Karn. It's me Aparna और आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ Get ready with me for first day of my college. I know कि अब कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो चुका है और अभी तो वेकेशंस भी चल रहे हैं, बट मैं ये वीडियो कब से बनाना चाहती थी एंड फाइनली I don't know why मैं ऐसे फिल्म नहीं कर रही थी, but finally today I thought no, I have to sit down and make this video for you guys. So without much more blabbering, let's get started. So I'll just pat on some moisturizer and sunscreen. So yeah, never ever skip sunscreen, guys. So I'm not going for any sort of actually makeup because in college you don't get that much of time. So I'm just going with the basic one. Just applying moisturizer, sunscreen and my holy grail Vaseline, especially in winters. You don't want your lips to get chaps all day and that cracky smile. Oh my god, that's awful. My face is not going through a good day, as you can see. So I pat on some concealers just to, you know, make me look a little awake. Now I'll take my banana shade from Wet n Wild Mega Contour Palette and just brighten up my under eyes and pat it on where I have applied my concealer so that it's set for all. Now I'll take my blush. This is the Maybelline Color Show in the shade Creamy Cinnamon. Just patted it on all over my cheek for that corally effect. I really love this blush. And it also has a little bit of sheen, which I like. So as you can see, I'm done with my brows. Now the final step is the lippy stick because I'm not at all a kajal or liner person. क्योंकि जब मुझे सही लगता है that no, I think मुझे लगाना चाहिए, so that's the day. Otherwise, no. I'm a lipstick hoarder. So the first shade which I'm using is the Color Bar Lip Stain in the shade Hot Latte, that is the 007. And I'll just putting it on. Then with the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic, just on the middle of my lips, just like that. That's pretty good combination. Now I'll just put my hair randomly and I'll have my glasses on because I wear glasses and my glasses are dirty. So yeah, this is the final look. I know ये सिर्फ first day के लिए रहता है because बाकी time lip balm and a big bun, you know. But first day it's not a bad idea to a little bit of put together. And I think I really love my look. I really like it. So let me know below in the comment box if you like it too. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.